Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese Glam World. If it's the first time I'm stopping by my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching. I appreciate it so much. So I'm going to show you how I achieve the shimmer eyeshadow. So watch and learn something today. So I went in with my Ferrari concealer palette. So I took concealer from that to be my shade. So I'm setting my base to be able to apply the foundation to the eyeshadow. Sorry. So you see, I'm blending to get a very smooth blend, to get a very smooth base. So after blending, I'm going to go in with my brown shade from my powder palette. I'm using the V Beauty powder palette. So I went in with that brown shade. That's what I'm using for my transition. Then I'm smoking it to the end. So that's what I'm using as my transition. So watch, grab your popcorn and sit down and learn something today. Thank you. So you see, I'm still blending to make sure that both eyes are the same. So I'm blending very well. And I'm smoking it at the end with a darker brown. Then I mix it with a little bit of purple, darkish purple, together dark smoke you're seeing at the end. Sorry, I'm not getting to show you the product I'm using. I totally forgot. I haven't gotten very used to YouTube and all that. So it's my first. I'm still trying to learn more. I'm going to be giving you quality tutorials. So opting for more and hoping subscribe to my channel to get more and more. Thank you. So I noticed that there were a little cracks due to my clients opening up her eyes while applying the brown eyeshadow I use as my transition. So you see, I'm going to go in with the brush to blend it more to remove that crack before applying my shimmery eyeshadow. So you see, I'm blending it. I'm trying to blend it. I'm using a powder of that color to kind of set it before I apply my shimmery eyeshadow. Meanwhile, I'm using a pigment. Forgotten the name of this pigment, so I'm going to drop down the name in the description box below. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm applying it. If you want it to pop, I first of all wipe my brush with a wet wipe so as to get that color to make it to be able to get the product into the brush. So you see, I'm applying it. This pigment is actually showing blue. It's actually showing blue. I don't know why I started applying it. It went and turned into green. I don't really know. I don't know if it's my eyes or what. I don't really know. But though it was actually showing green, blue color. Then when I started applying it, it went and started showing me green. I was so surprised. So I started using this glitters, just a regular glitters I bought from the market. I'm using that color to give it more effect. So I use my glitter glue to apply a little, then I use my hand to pick up the glitters and place it on the eye. So I'm trying to get the depth of what I've applied. I want it to pop more. So I'm going with that brown shade and trying to smoke it to get it to start popping the more. So it looks like the way it looks on my client is looking very okay. So I'm going to line the eyes with the Karas eyeliner. So that's what I'm using to line the eyes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned one or two. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next time.